All right, so this is sticking off of our deck here, and we want it covered up. So right along this rock bed, we're gonna lay telephone poles and kind of push up these rocks so that the porch stays in. So if I go over here, right behind this really pretty bed of ferns, is some telephone poles that we got cut today, and we just cut them with the chainsaw. I'll kind of maybe go more into that if you guys have any questions, but we're gonna cut those a bunch of different sizes and kind of make a nice little border along here. This is the final product of the posts. This over here, I think we're gonna fill in with rocks, maybe more, kind of make that slope a little bit flatter. But yeah, I thought that you guys would like to see kind of what we did with it. We have a little birdhouse on there. These rocks, we're gonna try to put these planters in the rocks, kind of dig a hole and fill in the rocks around the planters. But right here we have a Siberian iris, I think is what it's called. And I'll link the name of this below. I can't think of what that is. But got a little fun planter up here, little pelican, I don't know, guy. But we'll have to plant something in him. Got a little tiki torch behind our posts and lantern. So in this little bed is kind of just a random Mod Podge of some annual stuff we planted. I think these two are perennials, but I think we have some poppies here. This I can't remember the name of, but then there's a bunch of ranunculus that we were hoping would bloom but by this time of the year, but they're not. So maybe they'll bloom this year, maybe they won't. But yeah, and then in this tiny little corner we had some ferns planted, but really I think that's the only one that kind of came up. So yeah, just thought you guys would like to see kind of the final product.